Bob the Lumberjack, a sweet guy that cuts down wood, eats wood, and supplies food and wood for his family. He's a humble guy, great guy, has a very nice beard, as all lumberjacks should, and yeah. So, Bob has an issue though with what he's doing. He cannot supply him and his family with the wood he needs for eating trees because, well, he cannot video edit. In this magical world, he needs to be good at video editing to be able to grow trees. It's a weird process, but that is okay for Bob and his mysterious beard ways. Now, Bob, not the best at video editing, so he needs some help. And that is where we come in, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to help Bob through his journey and get him good at video editing so he can eat trees and support his family. Alright, let's begin. So, there's 4 steps to this process of getting better at video editing. This can be used for generally anything, in my opinion. But yeah, let me say this really quickly. This is a quote I made that I think will help some people understand what I'm going to basically talk about, kind of. A tree cannot grow without spreading its roots. If you're wondering what that means, it's basically saying, as a person, it is saying a person cannot grow and expand and get better at something if they cannot explore, expand, try some new things, kind of like if you had, per se, pizza every night for your entire life and you never tried anything else. Well, you need to grow and expand. So what you're going to do, you're going to eat some broccoli, say, no. Then you're going to have something else, like a burger, and you're like, not that bad. So now you have 2 things on your diet. You have grown and expanded. If you get that. Alright. So, now I'm going to tell you what you want to do. The first thing you want to do is know what you already can do. If you're trying to figure out, like, something new or something exciting, and you look at it, you watch a video, and then you're like, oh, I already know this, or you want to know where to start at, you know what I mean? If you don't know where to start, you don't know where to look. So the important thing is to know where to start. Yeah. All right. So, So Bob has now figured out where he is. He is currently a noob. N-O-O-B. Noob. I don't know why you had to spell that out for Bob, but Bob is not very educated on video editing or the internet. So he does not know these things. So, the next thing we need to do for Bob is to decide on what you want to work on. If you don't know what you want to do, you're gonna end up lost and confused and be like, I want to, let's see, no, I want to work on that. You don't actually know. I want to, no, wait, no, you don't want to have an moment, alright? That is what you call an moment. And you do not want an moment, alright? You want to be calm, organized, and collected, alright? So next thing you want to do, decide what you want to work on and explore. Alright? Now, right now, currently, I am working on cutting in between clips, like I just did. You won't notice it because I've edited it out, but I'm currently working on making sure I do not have any awkward spaces in audio like this. So, that's what I'm working on currently. Making sure there are no awkward spaces like that in between audio. That is what I'm working on, alright? And that is also what Bob is working on. Step number 3. Explore and try out new things that that new thing. I am having a stroke. Explore and try out that new thing until you like it or not. If you're not happy with it after, keep going. And if you're still not happy, maybe you need to try something else. Maybe this is too complex for you. Maybe you need to try something new. But most of the time, don't give up. And if you do like it, good for you, buddy. Bob is happy. He has successfully learned, and now he is ready to move on to step 4. Step 4 is to continue, expand, and grow, and keep trying to learn more editing things. Alright? So, Bob, this is 4 years later. Bob has finally done it. He has learned and learned for 4 years, and now he is the best video editor in the world. And that ends his story. He was able to eat wood and support his family with wood. He has done it. Good for Bob. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. News reporter here. We have news that Bob, the lumberjack, has gone on a tree massacre. If you see him, please be aware he has an axe and is deadly. He will not stop his rampage of destroying trees with video editing until he has destroyed the entire planet. Be careful. And, oh no, he's here. Everyone, get down! Oh my god, I gotta get out of here. Ah!